everybody here today, you're fantastic. I didn't expect to turn out. I thought half of you wouldn't show up like usual. So thank you very much. The first people that I would like to give awards to are the people that we couldn't have survived the season with due to the weak attendance on our team.
Ooh.
Some awards for my showing?
No.
If that were the case, everybody would.
No. This first one is our supporting role. Okay, these are the people that we could not have survived without. We would have forfeited games. We would have fucked off. We would have lost everything. Okay, without our supporting roles. Okay, so number one, Catlin. Yeah. Catlin showed up and never missed a game. Better than most and excellent playing. Here's an award for you. Number two for supporting roles, Brian! Always supported our team, Brian, and you always showed up even to keep score, and you never, ever had a negative attitude. Thank you very much. There's Brian. Okay. Number three, Pascal! Being enthusiastic, a great player, and played wherever we told you to, and you saved our tournament, my friend. Alright. So these are the moments that made the season and maybe even made you cry if you drank too much, aka Patrick. Which makes my honorable mention to this award, tequila. Alright? Patrick, you get an award for 9 a.m. tequila home run. For the team, for an overwhelming show of support, and again, good tequila. Okay, number two. There's only two in this word. The most emotional, most epic moment that led to even some injuries and the single-handed game winner of our tournament. The 140 winner. That is the best moment award. Number three. Okay, this award is to the greatest two female organs in the world. You are so nice and pink, but with the help of our team, we made you black and blue. You're the first person. You should have 10 ribbons for this because there's 10 injuries to these two organs. Kayla! Yeah. Thank you. And number two, any idea what this is? Kurt Boston Movie Award.
Thank you.
Alright. So this team would not be the same without support regardless. We wouldn't hit or catch as well, and we would not be able to dust ourselves off when we fuck all our shit up. No one would keep score without you. Throughout injury, you never left, and you continue to stand by us at every game and every practice. Yet again, Gordo. Biggest trooper.
One for each here, buddy.
Let's sit down.
Staple. We got the stapler.
We got a couple of times. Okay, this is very exciting for me. Some of you could not fucking catch, throw, or bat. Okay, but you stuck it out, and now you have some of the greatest hits and dives and epic catches from all of you. This is the most improved award. Number one, Christopher.
Woo!
Yeah!
Number two, Belinda. Number three, Craig. Holy shit, did you ever come out of the worst? And number four, hold on. It only would be fitting. It's white.
That's the 30th award.
All right. Next. All right. So, for a team that had a plus minus of over 200 minus. Okay, we would be fucked without without you, and we needed you to save our asses and our scores. Honorable mentions to Craig, Brian, Kat, and someone who never played in his life and came out of the woodwork, Taylor.
Yeah.
However, the best hitter award goes to... Drum roll, please! Robert!
Is there a second
Get it up!
one?
Number 2, Tian. I don't know who's going to take that one. Number 3, who made the biggest impact because of his fantastic attendance. Jordan.
Ow!
Go, Mike! He was yelling for you.
It helps our scores when you actually show up. Funny how that works. All right, this is my absolute favorite award every year. It is exactly what I asked of everybody, and this makes us great and fun to play. You always keep our chins up, the diamond loud, and this makes us a great team. This is most sportsman-like award. Kayla! All right, number 2. Yeah, Patty Cat!
Good timing.
Number 3, I'm accepting this on his behalf, and we're all going to call him after. Taylor, he's stuck at work.
Oh, love you, Taylor.
13 hours of overtime.
Look, Taylor, you guys!
This one's very exciting, too. I like it. Okay, so these people get extra special attention because we couldn't have made it without you, period. All right? You guys share the same attitude about baseball and the same love and dedication, and you're always there at every game and every practice. Number 1, Belinda.
Oh.
Yes, just to be there. Every game. Most dedicated, Belinda. Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Go big!
Somebody who would not have made it without serious strength and effort. Belinda, you lost the award. Is going to fly away.
I got it!
He worked his ass off even to be with us all year, even now. Somebody who worked their butt off, Craig Ross.
Woo!
You remember that group hug we gave you?
Number 3, someone who played for 600 other teams, but still manages to show up for every game and every practice. Jordan!
Always in the nick of time.
Always.
30 seconds to spare, he shows up.
Okay. Now this one's kind of surprise, but this is somebody who I would not have made it through the whole season without. Somebody who held this team together when I couldn't be there. Somebody who held you guys up in the outfield when I couldn't play. And somebody who held me up when I was really stressing out, okay? He kicks ass, he puts his numbers on our scoreboard. This is the most valuable player award, and it goes to the champ. And last but not least, this is a definite shout out to all our little cheerleaders. Because seriously, without support, our team would suck twice as much. But you guys make this game even funner than it already is. To all our cheerleaders. Just so you know, we're getting jerseys in February. So let's speed up this February for next year. I want my cheerleading jersey. Okay, got it. It'll be sexy. I can't fucking play it. All right.
I want
Yes. Everybody gets a cheer.
Oh. Can you hold it?
Cheers!
Fucking cry.
Good. That's what I was going for.
The only one that didn't want anything, okay?
I
so
didn't.
Fuck you.
Haha, you got one too, fucker. Me and Jeffrey's